Busy day. I've been putting the baseline coats and cutting in the corners for the master bedroom at the beach house. We've got this gorgeous, almost like a lemon chiffon color of yellow going up in the master bedroom. So that's going to be a beautiful color, nice and bright. So when we wake up in the morning, we'll be waking up to a cheery color. So that's one coat down. I got one more coat to go to get it all nice and even through the whole room. And then we'll be able to start putting the ceiling tile up after we get the ceiling molding in on the corners. I've got the fancy corner doodads to add the molding to, so getting excited, we're getting there.